I don't know. Hi, hello. Another menu again. I cook tuna flakes roll. I have a bread and tuna flakes and chopped onion and bell pepper and then mayonnaise. Okay. Make sure that your bread is I put sesame seeds and then roll. Like that. What call this, honey?
You're making a wrap.
Yeah.
You're making a wrap, but you're using bread for the dough.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then, this is enough. After this, mix the ingredients. This is onion, pepper, and remove the oil. What all this, honey? This is mix together.
Yes.
Oh, stop. Mix together. That what's Doc say? Mix together. And then add the mayonnaise. And Doc say mix together. See?
Mara likes mayonnaise a lot.
When you eat this one, you know what? You forgot your name.
I'll forget my name?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look.
It'll be delicious, huh?
Yeah.
I think so.
Oh, no. Who in your friends in YouTube who want to taste it? They forgot name. Maybe I give another name. See?
Why do I think you're going to be charging me for my drink now, huh?
Yeah! 50 pesos here. Per glass. 50 pesos per glass because my glass is big. So, for American glass, not a Filipino. Look, this is not for Filipino, American. After mix. After mix. Then, look, oh, this is the inside. No, sesame. Only outside. Oh, no, isa. Like that. Charge. I charge Jack, you know. How much? I charge 150. Plus drinks, 50, so 200. I have income. See? Complain? Complain? No? Okay. No going barangay. See? Peace. Okay.
You don't talk and talk much, huh?
Not talking, no. You know? I'm serious.
You're a serious cook?
Yeah, I'm serious. If what taste come out, maybe I can get income. Huh? Oh. What do you think?
I think it looks delicious, hon.
You pay 150 at 100?
Holy mackerel.
With the, no. With juice, honey.
With juice?
Yeah, 200.
With juice, 200?
Yes. Did you prepare 200?
Do I have to prepare 200 now to eat? You're too mean, hon. You're too mean.
No, I'm not mean.
But my credit is good, right?
Credit is good, but I need cash. Okay. I try this. Honey. Oy. Prepare my, and Kristen do that. That's what I have to get the oil and salt. Okay. I use cooking oil. So, palm oil.
Mm-hmm.
Palm oil, no?
Yes.